Astute, insightful, strategic, proactive. Modern-day business is just like chess. However, beyond the 64 squares, a broader landscape unravels. The 65th square. Here, exciting opportunities come alive, and we play it differently. There's a higher purpose, because it's not just about winning, but making the world around us win. Discover how the 65th square inspires TAFE in its journey of cultivating the world. TAFE is the flagship company of the Amalgamations Group, one of the largest light engineering conglomerates in India. Since its inception, it has been TAFE's quest to provide relevant farm solutions to farmers in India and around the world. It is the pride of India and friend to farmers worldwide. Everything TAFE does revolves around the farming community. This is why we have evolved from being a customer-centric company to being a customer value chain-centric company. To us, the joy and satisfaction of every stakeholder, from vendor to sales and service networks, is of equal importance. Their needs and desires influence every decision and motivates every person at TAFE. Unwavering adherence to TAFE's core values, laid down by its founders, has ensured we win together. Always, strong and ethical business practices are paramount at TAFE, which has led to some of our greatest and longest associations. An amalgamation of strength and aspirations. The belief that winning together is the bedrock of all that we do at TAFE. This is evident in our association with collaborators and stakeholders, which have been nurtured and strengthened over the last 6 decades. At TAFE, we have been thinking beyond the 64 squares in order to conquer the global market. This growth is complemented by our internal growth. From having just one tractor model, we now offer a product portfolio of over 370 products, including farm implements and machinery. Our manufacturing is poised to have a global footprint with our facilities in China and Turkey. TAFE today is recognized as a high-quality mass manufacturer with the capability to meet the expectations of every farmer and every farm mechanization need. Advanced technologies and energy-efficient processes ensure our products meet global standards of quality and sustainability. We have evolved from offering best costs to offering best value. To win, one must always be ahead, which is why our highly motivated R&D team is constantly exploring new frontiers of possibility. In fact, TAFE's R&D Center is recognized by the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India. TAFE pioneered the quality circle movement in the tractor industry. Its compelling product strategy and real-time market intelligence work proactively to assess customer needs, develop new products, and appropriately position and launch them in different geographies. We introduced the Ferguson hydraulic system with weight transference for 3-point linkage, pioneered direct injection engines and power steering for tractors in India. We were also the first to introduce the planetary drive with wet brakes and positive crankcase ventilation for tractor engines. With the advent of Industry 4.0, TAFE's manufacturing systems network with cyber-physical systems, monitor physical processes, make decentralized decisions, and communicate with each other in real time. Our existence is based on serving the community. We have therefore been very active in promoting education, women's empowerment, healthcare, and the preservation of India's rich cultural heritage. We at TAFE are especially proud of J Rehab, which empowers differently abled women with a career that helps them live with dignity and purpose. J Farm is yet another source of great pride for TAFE. An adaptive agri-research centre, it plays a proactive role in increasing farm yields, viability and sustainability, empowering farmers with new technologies while advocating integrated farming techniques. The knowledge nurtured at J Farm is generously shared and is now being implemented the world over. Established in 1963, TAFE's Product Training Centre, PTC, has trained thousands of dealers and TAFE personnel over the past decades. The knowledge imparted at the PTC is shared all over the globe. Today, we live and work in a digital world. This calls for a deeper understanding of emerging channels of communication and the ability to adapt to them. At TAFE, this has been one of the strengths that has kept us ahead and kept our minds fresh. J Farm Services App, Farmer to Farmer Initiative, TAFE Sahay My MF, Be a Farm Dost Initiative, TAFE Cafe App, News and Knowledge Sharing Platform, TAFE eUniversity, TAFE's unique e-learning and knowledge management portal, TAFE Tribe, Merchandising Portal, and other digital initiatives help us connect to the youth, to the future, and to the emerging new world. TAFE has a strong digital footprint with over 7 million people engaging with us.
TAFE is today one of the leading farm equipment manufacturers in the world. 1 in every 10 tractors sold around the world is a TAFE tractor. As we move forward, we see a future where our integrated farm solutions for both large farmers and small farmers across the globe will play a pivotal role in transforming agriculture, thereby addressing food security issues by incorporating in them technologies that are relevant, sustainable, and eco-friendly.
Cultivating values, cultivating people, cultivating innovation. TAFE, cultivating the world.